Babies. Hello, my lions. Hello, my patrons. Today is Thursday, and so on our 3-layer cake, today is Errand Day. So we have routines, errands, and zone 1. That's what we're going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do is get up this morning and do our morning routines before the family. After we've completed our morning routine, which includes making our bed, swishing and swiping, and emptying the dishwasher, taking care of ourselves, our clothing, our breakfast. Now we're going to go ahead and get the kids up. Put them through their morning routine too. Their morning routine includes them making their bed. Unless they're less than 4 years old, they can make their bed. You might have to help a little. A 9-year-old can totally make their bed. And you should expect them to do their best job and inspect what you expect. So make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, put on your clothes, put your pajamas in the dirty clothes or put them away, wipe out the sink, hang up your towel, come to the kitchen and eat your breakfast. That's a simple morning routine for children. They may have some other little things in there like feed the hamster or something like that, or you could put that in their evening routine if you're a little rushed in the morning. Okay, and then you have some other chores that you may have to do every day, and that's going to be part of this too. So if you have to collect eggs, and those need to be collected first thing in the morning, that's part of the chores that maybe everyone helps with. All right, that's it. Now, what are we going to do next? Well, if you're staying at home, you're going to put in a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper while the laundry's doing its thing. Put that paper in your new, clean, empty inbox, because yesterday was desk day and you handled everything yesterday. So anything that needs to be filed or have action required will happen next Wednesday. So look at it. If it needs it sooner, take care of it immediately. It's like when you spill a potted plant in your bathroom, you have to clean that up immediately. You can't wait till the next morning or to the next weekly home blessing hour or to the next zone 3, right? You have to clean some things right away, just like when your dog is fluffing hair all over the place. Those kind of things have to happen. It's like changing a diaper, has to happen immediately. But we step right back in where we were when we started and finish our process, right? Okay. After you've done your laundry and your paper, you're listening for your laundry to finish, but now you're going to go ahead and go into step 2 of your 3-layer cake, which is your basic weekly plan, which is your errand day. So you can choose. You can do zone 3 first, which is your front porch, your front door, your stairway, your foyer, your dining room if it's close, your back porch if it needs it. Work 10 minutes on that doing some deep cleaning type things, unless there's clutter, and then you're going to be decluttering. Most of you won't have clutter in those areas. You might have a cluttered closet. Most of you, I hope, don't have a cluttered front porch, but if you do, you can get that cleaned in 15 minutes, easily organized. All right, so after that, then you can go ahead and do your errands. And your errands today will include your groceries, which you planned yesterday. You've got a budget for it. Remember to have the mindset to spend less than you budgeted for. That's a control thing. And it'll make you feel centered and give you more poise and more confidence for the other types of CEO things you have to do. So you can do this. And then maybe even start a little savings account with what's left over. Or maybe I don't buy meat at the grocery store. I buy it from Zaycon Fresh. So I have a Zaycon Fresh account that I put money in so that when I need meat, there's meat money. So that's a thought for you. You might not do it through Zaycon. You could do it through anything. But if you do want to do Zaycon Fresh, the link's below. If you have a big family, I just have 2 of us, so we don't buy that often. But when we do, we really fill up the freezer. Okay, next thing is... that's it. So the next thing for you, at-home Flybabies, at-home patrons, at-home lions, is to wait for your kids to come home. Now, don't forget, that's if your kids go off to school, don't forget that before they leave, you're going to do a morning clutter check. You're going to do an after-school clutter check. You're going to do a before-bed clutter check. Or if you work, a morning clutter check, an after-work clutter check, a before-bed clutter check. Or if your children are homeschooling, or if you have little ones, it will be around lunchtime. After lunch would be your second clutter check. Okay? Don't forget to check yourself. All right, next thing is if you are working. So stand by at-home Flybabies. If you're a working Flybaby, a payroll Flybaby, a payroll lion, a payroll patron, you're going to go to work today after you've done your morning routine and the kids have done theirs and your little chores, feeling confident that you're going to be able to do this today. You're going to go to work. You're going to say hello to your coworkers. You're going to get a beverage. You're going to go to your desk. You're going to open up your control journal for work, and you're going to see where you are getting near the end of the week. How are you doing on your plans for this week? Are you documenting? Are you putting down your accomplishments? Don't forget, and adjust as you go. Adjust as you go. First thing in the morning, you want to do those things you hate to do or you dislike intensely, which would be email clean out and filing. And you may need to clean your email several times a day if you get lots and lots. All right. Next thing is you're going to go to your lunch hour and your breaks thinking about what has to happen at home. So we're going to start with the basic weekly plan, the weekly home blessing hour. And so far, if you've broken it up, you've done your bed, you've done the garbage, you've done the glass. So today it'll be dusting. So either you're going to do it when you get home today, or you're going to delegate it to anybody 9 years old or older to dust the whole house, 10 minutes or less. It's a quick little job. Don't require perfection from them. Don't require perfection from you. Okay, now when you do get home, remind the family, I'm on my way home. We're going to have a clutter check. Did you do your jobs that I delegated? I'm so proud of you. I'm going to inspect what I expect. You might not say those words. You might not say clutter check, but whatever words you choose to let them know that Mom's going to make sure that we did this job. All right? All right, so when you get home, you're going to make sure. Then you're going to start your laundry, go through your paper, listen for your laundry, start supper. While supper is simmering or holding or whatever, you're going to go ahead and if you did not delegate the dusting, you're going to dust 10 minutes or less. If you have something really good to dust with, like a Flylady feather duster, a really good ostrich feather duster, it's going to make the job so much quicker, so much easier, and so much better. All right, then you're going to do your zone 1, 10, 15 minutes max in zone 1. Okay, next thing we're going to do is all come together, have dinner, and then after dinner, everyone at home and payroll, we're going to have our after dinner routine together as a family. Everyone chips in to help. After that, we're going to do our before bed routines. You're going to do another clutter check, and you're going to check your planner again. Check it in the morning, check it at night. Make sure you're on track. Know what's for dinner tomorrow, or decide now from your list. Right? Know what's going on. Do the kids have projects that need to go by the front door? Do you want your children to make their lunches tonight? You know, you don't have to make their lunches. They're totally capable. All right. Next thing is go to bed, have a good night's rest, and when you're lying there in bed, remember that you are beautiful. See you tomorrow.